2 days of the Kern County Fair. We have this low pressure system that is bringing those below average temperatures. So we are experiencing those mid 80s today, but we have rain chances headed our way, so take advantage of it while you can. That high of 84 today and sunny skies, cooling down to the 50s overnight. Tomorrow 84 as well, and then we dip even lower to 83 on Monday. Increased cloud cover as that system makes its way into the region. Then on Tuesday we are looking at a 50% chance of rain here in the valley. Those high chances go into Wednesday, but take a look at those temperatures. They dip to those upper 70s. Then on Thursday, still pretty significant chance of rain with 30%, but then those temperatures warm back up to those mid 80s. Then we are back to seasonal on Friday. Take a look at next weekend. Things clear, but those temperatures are still looking absolutely beautiful. In the Kern River Valley, a high of 85 and breezy, cooling down to the 50s overnight tomorrow. 85 as well, and then the Kern River Valley is looking at that 50% chance of rain Tuesday and Wednesday, 20% chance going into Thursday. And into Tehachapi, breezy up there as well with those highs in the mid 70s, warming up slightly to 77 tomorrow, 60% chance for Tehachapi, and then that 60% chance of rain headed into Wednesday as well, 30% chance on Thursday, but those temperatures real cool, 65 on Tuesday, 67 on Wednesday. Warming back up to those mid 70s on Thursday. And in Frazier Park, breezy up there as well. Those temperatures in those mid 70s, warming up to those upper 70s tomorrow, and then dipping significantly to those low 60s on Monday. 60% chance of rain Tuesday and Wednesday, and then that 30% chance of rain on 60% chance of rain Tuesday through Wednesday, and then that 30% chance of rain Thursday. Those temperatures pretty cool for your midweek, and then warming back up to those upper 70s.
All righty. Well, today